Damn, that thing is bent. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Corvette video. So in today's video, our mission is actually to start throwing all the radiators in, just get it run and drive, just so we can roll this baby to the paint shop. Today it's only me and Tim recording. Roman couldn't make it, so I'm gonna have the camera guy help me out a little bit. So we are gonna set up the camera, do some time lapse here and there, but let's just get straight into it. Probably start throwing in the radiator first, maybe some coolant if we have any.
Hopefully
I'm gonna have to check
today, yeah.
throw in the basically the caliper, the rotor, right? Yeah. All the good stuff that we have left. And we're not really going to throw on any body parts. The quarter panel we will, because it is going to be painted on the car. Other than that, the parts, bumper and all this, back bumper, front bumper, maybe even fender, it's going to be painted separately. Yeah, so let's not waste any time and just get into the work. Oh, how the tables have turned. How do you feel about working?
You should be working.
Yeah, I'm kind of enjoying to record. Right
yeah, okay. Don't get too comfortable.
Alright, the engine bay is almost
sick.
complete. Look at this. Looks like not a lot of work has been done from the outside, but we actually put a lot of work into the engine itself. Throwing out the radiators, the duct, all the intake, mat. Yeah, so
can't forget the mat.
Yeah, so we gotta throw in some coolant, right? But
we don't have any coolant.
Yeah,
that's one thing we forgot today. We gotta get coolant, so we're probably just gonna have to catch you guys tomorrow and then fire this puppy up.
Nothing open right now at 12
yeah, what is
12 o'clock, right?
Yep, close.
Nothing open at 12 o'clock.
But yeah, guys, we'll catch you guys tomorrow. So peace.
We are back. This is already the second day. As you can see, we topped off the coolant already. We couldn't wait. We had to do that off camera.
Yeah, it's like right on the
So
edge.
this is the ice box, right?
Yep.
This is the ice box. We topped it off over there as well. So I think we should probably start it, let it kind of run through. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go low because not all the coolant is in the system, in the radiators, all this good stuff. So yeah, let's just get it started and probably add more coolant in a minute, right?
Yep. Battery.
All right, looks like the battery is completely dead. So let's just take a minute, actually a few minutes, just let it charge. And before, while we wait, it charges. Let's probably get the wheel done, right?
Yeah, we can also
gotta do that right
we got
here.
a rotor, brand new
Check
caliper.
this out. Let's look at this real quick. What is this? Rotor, right?
Yep.
Hopefully it's the correct rotor. I really hope so. So
Yeah.
let me get my sword out real quick. Yo, they really protected this rotor, right?
That's a box in a box in a box, man. How many boxes have we got in this thing?
Ooh, look at that.
Carbon ceramic.
That is crazy.
You know what this reminds me of?
my
The
God.
Lambo rotor.
I know, but we already mentioned it in like the first video, but it still reminds
Yeah.
this crazy ceramic. This is expensive stuff right here.
Yep.
It's some expensive. It looks. Oh my. We have one hanging in the office, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Damn, that thing is bent.
Bro, it looks straight to me.
Crazy.
That's insane.
Yeah, then we're gonna have to order some new of those, right?
Yeah.
We can temporarily just fit it in right now, right? Just to throw it on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we're gonna have to change these for sure.
Yes, for sure. Alright, so the rotor and the caliper are in, thanks to the camera guy. I'm recording now, he's working now. Oh, how the tables have turned.
Yes,
right?
they have, yeah.
So now we gotta start throwing in we gotta throw in the quarter panel first of all.
Yep.
So let's throw in the quarter panel. We're actually gonna paint it on the car. It's the same color right now. So all we gotta do is just scuff it on the top when we're gonna be painting it. So let's just get to it, right?
Yep.
So what we gotta do is play hide and seek with the quarter panel. There's the old one. We actually don't know where the new one is.
No, we're just the old quarter panel, half the parts.
So like, as you can see, we got a lot of parts in here. More parts. Ooh, can't show you guys that shop. Yo, I found it, dude. It's under the coffee table.
Is that really it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is.
Is that it? Look at it hiding there, right? Yo, that thing was under there for a minute. Look how dusty it is.
Yeah, look at that.
Crazy.
Take this bad boy out.
Yo, let's throw that puppy on.
Yeah,
Alright guys, we are running into problems once again, right? So check this out. Oh my gosh, I'm so upset right now. So we got the new quarter panel. We thought it's by color, perfect. We don't have to really paint on the inside, just scuff and paint on the outside. But we're trying to fit it right here. Check this out. We're trying to fit in. We're like, why doesn't it want to go? Maybe the screws will tighten it, but still, it's just way too much pressure. That is not normal. And then we get the old quarter panel that is damaged. And as you see it, we notice, you see how this has like a little bent part right here. That's kind of for the wide body quarter panel. This right here is just flat, straight flat. So, and right here it's flat. Right here it's flat. So that's a wide body quarter panel. This one is not. So the grill is different as well. So it looks like we cannot paint the car until we get a new quarter panel.
Yeah.
So now we gotta look for a new quarter panel, which sucks, but I mean it is what it is.
Yeah.
It is what it is. You know, we have good days, we have bad days, mostly bad days, but you know. All right, so let's just take this one right back off. Obviously, it does not fit, and pretty much we just gotta look for a new quarter panel, right?
Yeah. Let's just put the wheel on, put everything else on.
Yeah, we gotta put the wheel on. We just thought we were going to paint it probably Monday, right? Send it for paint it, you know, then complete it 100%. But now we just gotta wait on the paint until we find a new quarter panel. So let's just go ahead and put the wheel on. Alright guys, so look at the big difference between these two quarter panels. That one like dips pretty good, that one's just flat. Obviously we can't go with the flat one because this tire here is going to be sticking out like 2 miles. You know what I mean? So like I said, let's just toss this tire back on and go from there. Alright, so we threw the wheel on. Obviously need some alignment and the quarter panel. Let's actually try to start the car. Let's check if the soup is actually going to help out a little bit. Alright, we are still sending this car in for paint after the weekend. Hopefully tomorrow, it's Saturday, we are able to pick up the quarter from the dealership. Hopefully they have it in stock. We do not want to look for one, used one, you know, it's going to take a minute. But we do want to finish this build, complete it, but maybe 2 weeks or something. Yeah, but it is coming to an end, you know. All we need is paint, that's the main thing. And after that, straight to the shop, give us 1 day, 1 full day, and we're going to put everything together and we can finally, you know, go rip it on the street, right? Okay. Burn some tires, some fat tires. Yeah. Actually test out how much power it has, because it has over 800 horsepower, right?
That's insane.
So we're gonna be able to test it out obviously when it's complete and it's finished. So, but that is going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button. Also follow us on Instagram, and we will catch you guys in the next video.